The most common reason for an air conditioner not cooling is a leak or compressor problem. If your air is blowing cool but not cold, the problem could be a clogged filter, cooling fan problem, AC pressure switch sensor not working, condenser blocked/broken problem, or it could be that you need to recharge your AC Colgate cabin air filter, or damaged compressor belt and engine overheating may be the cause too. The first reason for car AC not cooling can be: check if the cooling fan of your car is working. Start the car engine and turn on the AC and see if the cooling fan is not running. It has stopped. Cooling fan not working, then check fan relay, fuse and supply volt. Okay, so you replace this cooling fan motor. The cooling fan and motor are damaged, so replace and install new cooling fan and motor. After fitting properly, refit it as before. Test with engine start and air condition on and see if the cooling fan is running properly, or if there is any other problem. Check if the car is cold inside. In your case, the AC pressure sensor switch is stuck in the heat setting. Your compressor may be fine, things just aren't getting the signal to cool. The only problem is that if the switch is broken, your car's AC compressor and cooler won't work. Check this control switch easily. And if it still doesn't work, replace this temperature control switch. A war like this will bypass the AC pressure sensor socket of your car. If the compressor and AC fan are working, then you can easily understand the problem of the sensor and change the sensor quickly. AC compressor does not engage the heart of any air conditioning system. Is a compressor whose function is to compress the refrigerant. When the freon expands later, it is very cold. Air blown across cold freon-filled metal quickly cools. If your compressor isn't working, the air won't cool. And your compressor is not working due to low freon level, electrical problem, or cooling fan not working due to overheating engine. Compressor magnet jam, broken like this can cause your car AC not cooling, etc. Refrigerant leaks. Low refrigerant levels due to a leaky o-ring, seal or other component are the most common problems associated with a poorly performing AC system. Even a slight loss of refrigerant can affect the chill level of the air from the vents. A sure sign of low refrigerant is the AC compressor repeatedly clicking off and on, called short cycling. Locating refrigerant leaks can be difficult even for the pros. Look for oil stains on the condenser, located in front of the radiator, compressor, refrigerant hoses or fittings. Also, check that the AC service port, Schrader, valve caps and O-rings are in place and only hand-tight. There are several DIY AC system recharging kits available. Some include oil, dye to help locate leaks, or additives that rejuvenate O-rings and seals. Get a kit that matches the type of refrigerant in your vehicle and includes a gauge to test system pressure before adding refrigerant. Recharging the AC system is usually a one-time fix. Different problem-solving. Go AC repair. Shocked or broken condenser. The function of the condenser is to return the freon gases to liquid. If the condenser is blocked by debris or damaged, the refrigerant will not flow. When this happens, you won't be blowing cold or even cool air from our air conditioner. Condenser/compressor oil blackening due to prolonged use can be a bit costly to repair, as AC compressor, condenser, cooling coils need to be replaced, cannot be used. This blackening destroys everything. Clogged cabin air filter. It can be one of the general issues if AC is not cooling enough. You can diagnose it by yourself. Just open a dashboard holder and remove the cabin filter. If it is dirty, then this is the reason that it is reducing the air inflow to the cabin properly. If so, it is time to get it changed. You can do it by yourself. Just purchase a genuine cabin filter and replace it with an old one and voila, you are good to go. If you are still facing the same issue, then you should pay a visit to the certified workshop. Damaged compressor belt. Compressors require a lot of energy and power to function fully. If the compressor weakens or wears out due to continuous use, then the lack of power in the compressor can be noticed, leading to AC fault. Weak compressor belts prevent your car from starting. These compressor belts usually drive the power and energy of your vehicle. When it malfunctions, the air conditioner does not work as expected. It is recommended to have the repair done by an authorized car repair workshop or shop and replace the compressor belts as soon as possible. Any neglect in that part can also shorten the life of the air conditioner and your car's engine.